Backpacking stoves are a foundational piece of a lightweight outdoor kit, balancing weight, efficiency, reliability, and cost. A solid stove can shave minutes off boil times, reduce fuel consumption, and improve safety in wind-prone environments. Product number 1. AOTU Portable Camping Stove Backpacking Stove with Piezo Ignition. Stable support wind resistance camp stove for outdoor camping, hiking, cooking. This ultra-lightweight, integrated base stove is designed for minimalist, budget-conscious users. It uses a high-bright aluminum alloy base with the honeycomb windproof net and supports 7/16 thread canisters, EN417, specifically warning it does not fit propane canisters. It features a piezo ignition and a rated output of 3,000 watts, with a compact form factor, 3.74 by 2.56 by 2.95 inches, and a claimed 4.84-ounce weight, making it appealing for ultralight setups. The construction relies on aluminum alloys and a wind-resistant design intended to improve combustion efficiency in variable conditions. Product number 2. Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Backpacking. This integrated stove and pot system emphasizes speed and efficiency, featuring a built-in piezo igniter, hard anodized aluminum pot, and an integrated cooking setup that weighs about 18 ounces in total. It is designed for fast boil times with the claim of wind resilience via advanced heat exchange technology, and it supports common propane, butane, or isobutane fuel canisters, excluding Coleman. The stove is compact, about 5 by 5 by 6.8 inches, and the pot includes a locking handle and neoprene insulating sleeve for safe handling. Pros: integrated pot stove system reduces setup complexity, fast boil times, wind-optimized heat exchange, compact and lightweight, no fuel canister included, but compatible with common pressurized canisters. Product number 3. Fire Maple Petrol G2 Ultralight Cooking Set. Compact. The Petrol G2 is Fire Maple's premium ultralight integrated cooking system, featuring a heat exchanger, hard anodized aluminum construction, foldable pot handle, and a compact packaging footprint. It's designed for speed and efficiency, with a focus on ultralight backpacking needs, claiming strong power output and durable materials, including stainless steel and ceramics components where applicable. The weight listed is 2.5 pounds, with the package roughly 10 by 8 by 6 inches, suggesting a compact but complete cook set with stove and pot. Pros: premium materials, integrated heat exchanger for fuel efficiency, compact carry, foldable pot handle, robust construction for regular use. Product number 4. Otoland 6-piece camping cookware mess kit with lightweight pot. Otoland 6-piece kit positions itself as an all-in-one solution for casual backpackers or families seeking value. It bundles 2 aluminum pots, a foldable stove, a sport, and cleaning cloth with a mesh carry bag. The foldable design emphasizes compact storage, and the package is designed for quick setup and transport with non-toxic anodized aluminum and foldable handles. Priced at $25.99, it targets budget-conscious buyers who want a simple cook system without assembling multiple separate pieces. Pros: complete kit with stove and cookware, foldable handles save space, affordable price, durable anodized aluminum, ready-to-pack package. Product number 5. MSR Pocketrocket 2 Ultralight Camping. The MSR Pocketrocket 2 is a benchmark ultralight canister stove, renowned for reliability and compact size. 2.6-ounce stove, 4.8 by 4.8 by 3.6 inches with case. It uses isobutane propane fuel canisters and requires no priming or preheating. Its quick boil times, approximately 3.5 minutes for 1 liter, and precise flame control with serrated pot supports make it a favorite for minimalist travelers who value performance and durability. Pros: ultralight, extremely compact, fast boil times, wide pot compatibility thanks to serrated supports, included protective case. Cons: price can be higher than budget options, requires fuel canisters, availability and cost varies by region, performance can degrade in very cold conditions.